Are you looking for a camera backpacks? In this video, I will show you the 5 best camera backpacks, based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Nomadic Camera DSLR Backpack. The Canon Camera Pack 35L is the perfect bag for every adventure. It allows you to pack camera gear and clothing in the same bag. The removable folding dividers, expansion, and external carry straps allow you to pack it any way you want. This camera pack has the room and functionality to keep your gear safe plus sound, whether it's your laptop, camera, favorite jacket, or the myriad of photography essentials like hard drives or multiple lenses. This pack can haul it all for the true adventurer. Camera gear and travel essentials can be cumbersome. The perfect front pocket designed to hold your needed now items, such as a passport or wallet. Have peace of mind knowing your items are safe with securable zippers and a magnetic inner pocket. The 4th product on the list is the Jitech Camera Backpack. With a separate shoulder strap, the built-in expandable sling bag gives you more choices in how you travel. Leave the bulk at home and take just the essentials. Using DIY dividers, the main compartment can be arranged in any configuration to fit all your travel needs, even if they change. Zippers are lockable and designed to withstand penetration. There are 3 dedicated pockets for your camera batteries with charge level indicator, so you will never grab a dead battery again. The 3rd product on the list is the Fstop Rolltop Camera Backpack for DSLR. A capable everyday carry solution with a sleek silhouette, side access pockets, and 21L capacity for all-day adventures. Large side zipper pocket with internal organizer. Removable, internal padded brushed nylon storage compartment with 5 adjustable dividers. DWR 420D ripstop nylon with TPU laminate. Reinforced grab handle. Weatherproof zippers. Its sleek silhouette, side access pockets, and enough capacity for all-day adventures, this bag will be your new best friend from sunrise to sunset. 21L roll top functionality with dual side access zippers. Removable padded compartment with 5 internal dividers. The 2nd product on the list is the Bravite Camera Backpack. Bravite makes insanely functional backpacks to help you create, make, and do what matters to you. Bravite minimalist camera backpacks work hard to address all your photography gear bag and photography accessories bag needs. No one should have to compromise between a stylish camera backpack design for a life-proof protective camera style. Backpack for camera and accessories do it all. From your lens case to your computer and tripod, our extra sleek camera bags and cases never compromise peak functionality. The 1st product on the list is the Indurax Camera DSLR/SLR Backpack. Professional camera backpack with stylish design, fit women and man, all types of outdoor gadgets included, such as waist strap, reflective strip, rain cover and flip-out tripod holder, ideal for all photography enthusiasts. Durable material built to last, this waterproof camera backpack made from water-resistant fabric, anti-theft YKK zippers and high-quality buckles for smooth use. A separated compartment for up to 15.6 laptop, to convert this laptop and camera backpack to a travel laptop backpack by just taking out the dividers insert. Airplane carry-on compatible bag. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.